Today is gonna be the day that we melt the fat away. Right now, I'll tell you somehow we're gonna make the leanness happen. Hello Squaddies, I'm Phil Mackenzie, founder of the Lean Squad, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook a lean meal in under 30 minutes that still tastes amazing. Here are our ingredients. We're gonna make it in less than 30 minutes. This kind of meal is the key to making you feel so good all day long. First things first, you're gonna grab your red pepper. Little known fact, full of vitamin C. For the winter months, this is great for the mind, body, and leanness. And we're just gonna simply cut our peppers into halves. Just slice the pepper, nice and easy. And then that is what you're left with. Here's another way to cut a pepper. This is how you do it. You just take a step back, look at right, dead center. Woo! Get rid of all the kind of gunk in the middle because we want to make room for our leanness. We are using beef to go inside of here, all right? Next step is to grab a pan. You're gonna oil it up. I'm gonna use some olive oil. Not too much, just a tablespoon or two. And then we're gonna put in, we are gonna throw in the beef, all right? This is minced beef. You can use any ground or minced meat you like. We're gonna want really small, tasty, crumbly bits of beef in these stuffed peppers. So the beef is browning. We don't want to overcook it. I've got it on like a low to medium heat here. So you're really just browning the beef because it's gonna go in the oven. So up next is you grab your spices. First up, some garlic powder. Garlic powder, all right? So you just dash this in there. Ooh, I love the garlic, so I'm gonna go a little wild. And garlic is really, really good for the body. It keeps you healthy and happy. And then we've got paprika, and I love this spice. I'm gonna sweat it out. I'm gonna keep that metabolism at an all-time high. Some chili powder, okay? I like it spicy. Spicy equals leanness. Spicy also equals tastiness. A bit of a challenge, and this is a really, really spicy one, is cayenne pepper. But again, all these flavors are gonna combine to make one spicy Southwest style stuffed pepper, okay? And then just a dash of cumin here. You wanna get that in there and let those flavors combine to bring the best out of these peppers. So you just mix everything, and remember, you wanna make sure your minced beef is extra mincy. We want tiny little chunks, tiny little itty bitty pieces. There we go. All right, next up, it's nearly done. I'm grabbing this leafy greenness. Spinach, good for the body. It has so many nutrients in it, really nutrient dense. We're gonna get it in there. Woo! Just like that, okay? We're gonna let the beef and the heat from the pan wilt this spinach away, all right? So it's gonna get nice and wilted. Wanna get as much of that in the pan, you don't wanna miss. Hopefully your aim and accuracy is better than mine. And there we go, mix it. And again, you can crank down the heat if your beef is ready to go. We're just gonna add a little bit of salt, okay? To really make the most of this meal. There you go. Find a lean one, find a lean one. Whoop, we're going with this one, all right? So now you just take that beefy, tasty, flavorful leanness, and you just stuff the bell pepper, just like that. You are gonna get a sheet pan. This one is extra big. We got lots of bell peppers, and you're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil. If you have spray, that's perfect. And you're just gonna olive oil it up. There we go. This is just so the bell peppers don't stick, all right? So there we go. We got one bell pepper ready to work. Whee! It's time to get lean. Last step before we send this plate of leanness into the oven for 15 minutes is some crushed pine nuts. Woo! Like I said, these have healthy fats. We're gonna crush them up though. Crush them up, okay? Real nice, little crunchy, tasty bits go on top of our spicy Southwest stuffed peppers. So this is how I crunch it. Take my knife, look at there. Crunchy leanness, Woo! A little handful there, and sprinkle it on top of all of the bell peppers. So this, combined with my surprise at the end, is laying the foundation. 425, 15 to 20 minutes. What we want is those peppers nice and soft, but not too burnt. So you gotta keep an eye on them, and you just take a sneaky peek. Ooh, they look amazing, so I know they're ready to come out. They are ready to have the final lean touches done. So I'm going in to get them. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Woo! That's the sound of leanness right there. And this is the final touch, because I said this is a lean meal. We've got the nutrients from the veg, the peppers. We've also got the pine nuts, the protein, the fiber, the healthy fats. And now we're gonna add a little bit more fat to this lean mix. So you just get the cheese there and get it all over these to really bring this spicy mix all together. There we go, ready to rock and roll. These are going back in the oven for just a couple minutes, okay? Same temperature. All right, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Clear away, beep, 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 beep. Incoming tray of leanness. How beautiful does that look? How good does it smell? If only you could smell this. It smells amazing, lean-mazing. Like I said, you can use beef, you can use turkey, you can even use tofu. It is up to you, but that is how simple it is. Spices, vegetables, protein, all mixed together, topped off with some cheese, and we have leanness in under 30 minutes. So please, 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 if you have any questions, comment below, DM me, check out www.lean-squad.com, and get ready for the next lean episode.